Hi, Dad. It's David. I thought you might be interested here in seeing how the market reacts to pre-market news. So this is chart just came out. I forgot what just came out. ADP. Yeah, the ADP number just came out a couple minutes ago. You can see here's how the market traded yesterday, and then here's where it gapped down to in pre-market, moved up, and then the ADP number came down. And you can see the trading that's going on, here in pre-market, how the market reacts to that. Not a dramatic move. Sometimes these moves can be, much bigger than that, but you can watch it here for a couple of minutes and see what it's doing. It's working its way back higher. Um, we can go into let's go into a 1 minute chart. You can probably see it move. See, not a lot of volume, not much. These bars are all really small and nobody really doing anything. And then, about 15 minutes before the number came out, it went up. And then all the people that bought in pre-market here, it was like, bam. Um, Kind of watch it here for a few minutes and just kind of see what it does. That's why it's dangerous to trade in pre-market and aftermarket. You just don't know. I'm gonna move this over here. You might find this interesting as well. This is the list of stocks that that I can trade, that I'm allowed to trade. You can kind of see what they're doing, pre-market. Um, Stuff that's going to be out. Look at Twitter. It's going to be down right now, 480 from the close, down 11% to 37.82. So I had Twitter the other day, if you remember. You know what? And when it wasn't acting right, I got out. That's why you honor stops. And if a stock's not doing what you thought it should be doing, you should consider it selling. The old Dave that didn't, that was more aggressive. What I learned is, oh, it's down. Oh, let's buy more. Oh, it's down. Let's buy more. I'd be down. I'd be down considerable. I mean, I didn't have a ton anyway, but I'd be down. I had bought it at 45, sold a little bit when it popped up to 48ish, I think it was, and then it dropped. Um, Down to 43 and then popped back up to 45, and it just wasn't doing what it should. And so I got out of everything it was around 44 and change. So I'd be down 7 points right now if I was holding on to it. And but other things that are down, eBay's down big this morning. Express Scripts, ESRX, is going to be down about $4 at the open. Um, so it's good to have those on your radar to see, what's going to be down big at the open, what's going to be, up big, anything going to be up big. Um, these are inverse. These are all ETFs. Really, nothing is looking to be up at the open. So the market, is going to be down at the open. and we'll see what happens. But anyway, looks like the market is kind of settling into that number that it just got. So that's what pre market looks like. Talk to you later.